I'm working in a library folder. In this case, it's called Photos. That will contain many subfolders. Specifically, I currently have over 400 entered, and I'm going to end up with about 1,600 subfolders in this one folder. Right now, if you want to add a subfolder, you have to go over here, hit this item, hit Create Subfolder, click in here, and go ahead and enter it. That's tedious. It's also error-prone because in the fog of doing a lot of work, it's too easy to click the wrong folder if you're not paying real close attention. And if you end up putting the subfolder in a different folder, tracking it down and deleting it can be problematical. So what I'm suggesting is that you, at the top of the UI, up here, you add a button that says Create Subfolder. That way, when you click that button, you would always be within the currently displayed library folder.